Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. I am a place where you can buy food and household items. What am I? A. Supermarket. B. Hospital. C. School. The right answer is A. Supermarket. Question number 2. I am a place where you can check out books. What am I? A. Restaurant. B. Library. C. Bank. The right answer is B. Library. Question number 3. I am a place where people go to see movies. What am I? A. Gym. B. Post office. C. Cinema. The right answer is C. Cinema. Question number 4. I am a place where you can eat meals. What am I? A. School. B. Restaurant. C. Pharmacy. The right answer is B. Restaurant. Question number 5. I am a place where you can exercise and work out. What am I? A. Museum. B. Gym. C. Bank. The right answer is B. Gym. Question number 6. I am a place where you can see historical objects. What am I? A. Museum. B. Hospital. C. Supermarket. The right answer is A. Museum. Question number 7. I am a place where you can send letters and packages. What am I? A. Post office. B. School. C. Restaurant. The right answer is A. Post office. Question number 8. I am a place where sick people go to treatment. What am I? A. Bank. B. Cinema. C. Hospital. The right answer is C. Hospital. Question number 9. I am a place where you can save and withdraw money. What am I? A. Library. B. Bank. C. Gym. The right answer is B. Bank. Question number 10. I am a place where children go to learn. What am I? A. Pharmacy. B. Cinema. C. School. The right answer is C. School. Children go to learn. School. Question number 11. I am a place where you can buy medicine. What am I? A. Pharmacy. B. Museum. C. Post office. The right answer is A. Pharmacy. Question number 12. I am a place where you can see and buy art. What am I? A. Art gallery. B. Gym. C. Bank. The right answer is A. Art gallery. Question number 13. I am a place where you can catch train. What am I? A. Hospital. B. Train station. C. Supermarket. The right answer is B. Train station. Question number 14. I am a place where buses start and stop. What am I? A. Restaurant. B. Pharmacy. C. Bus station. The right answer is C. Bus station. Question number 15. I am a place where you can get a haircut. What am I? A. Hair salon. B. Library. C. Museum. The right answer is A. Hair salon. Question number 16. I am a place where you can watch plays or shows. What am I? A. Theatre. B. Gym. C. Bank. The right answer is A. Theatre. Question number 17. I am a place where you can stay when you are on vacation. What am I? A. School. B. Pharmacy. C. Hotel. The right answer is C. Hotel. Question number 18. I am a place where you can fill your car with fuel. What am I? A. Museum. B. Gas station. C. Post office. The right answer is B. Gas station. Question number 19. I am a place where you can get coffee and snacks. What am I? A. Library. B. Gym. C. Cafe. The right answer is C. Cafe. Question number 20. I am a place where you can buy bread and pastries. What am I? A. Bakery. B. Hospital. C. Train station. The right answer is A. Bakery.